Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm doing an oil change on this 2022 Transit T250. I have not done the oil filter yet. It's over there, but I'm letting this drain because somebody told me that if I loosen the filter while this is still draining over here, right there, that there'll be another cup of oil. Yes, they literally said cup. Another cup of oil that will come out of the pan. So I'm seeing if I can catch all this in one frame. Like, I'm gonna lose. Ah, it's hot. All right, I'm probably gonna pee oil all over my floor because of this. They said they wanted to get all the contaminated engine oil out of their vehicle. So all right, here we go. I'm gonna loosen this. Ready? It's loose. Did any more oil come out? No, it didn't. So, look, it came out of there. It came out of my filter, which is peeing all over the floor. But if I do this, look, still draining. Come back over here. That's hot, that's hot. Take this off. Maybe that's the cup of oil you're talking about, because it's not gonna go back into the engine and then come out of the engine drain plug. It doesn't work that way. Look, here we go. Since I've already made a mess, we're gonna make it even more of a mess. How about that? So, oh, maybe that's the cup you're talking about. Still the same drip over here. Still the same. But now I got a mess. So no, leaving the drain plug open and pulling the oil filter did not give me another cup out of the oil pan. If you have a cartridge filter that's on top of the engine and you pull that out, yes, some of that oil will go back down into the pan, but not on that. And you were referring to my 10,000 mile oil change for the AMSOIL. Why didn't I leave the drain plug undone on my sideways filter to take that off so one more cup of oil would come out of my oil pan? And I just proved to you that it doesn't work that way. So, because it's not a cartridge filter, like on the 2.7 liter or the 3.6 Pentastar engine, cartridge filter on top. Oh look, I'm not wearing any gloves. I guess I get my manhood back. I got dirt under my nails. The oil will drain back down inside there and then go back and down to the engine. You are correct on that, but not a filter like that. So I appreciate it. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.